Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaikum salam wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, I informed myself and watched your videos, and you said that the Fajr prayer should be finished 20 minutes before sunrise. Since then, I have always made sure to finish 20 minutes before. However, the day before yesterday, I prayed one rak'ah of the Fajr prayer 19 minutes and 24 seconds before. Please note, Sheikh, I have watched to be safe 25 prayer timetables. And I want to know from you if I am in great danger, because you said in the video this is the safest to pray 20 minutes before.
When we say 20 minutes, this is not Qur'an. This is not Sunnah. This is an estimate. What counts is what happens actually on the ground. Again, we're not bound by what scholar so-and-so or students of knowledge so-and-so say. We're bound by the Qur'an and the Sunnah. And the Prophet told us, ﷺ, whoever attains one full rak'ah before the sun rises, then his prayer is valid. So if you say that I managed to pray a full rak'ah, and it was 19 minutes and 20 seconds, so 40 seconds late, how would I know? Did the tip of the sun rise? He said, I did not see anything. Khalas, the default, it did not rise. Move on. Should we maintain 4 rak'ah of Sunnah before Asr on daily basis? We know that there are emphatic Sunnahs during the day and night, and those are 12 rak'ahs. If you maintain, if you observe them, then Allah Azza wa Jal would build you a house in Jannah. 2 before Fajr, 4 2 by 2. Before Dhuhr, 2 after Dhuhr, 2 after Maghrib, and after Isha. These are 12. But there are Sunnahs that are not emphatic, not as highly recommended, which scholars say that the Prophet ﷺ did not highly recommend, yet he recommended, but he did not observe them and he did not do them regularly, such as 2 extra after Dhuhr. So instead of only 2, no, he used to pray 4 after Dhuhr. And also 4 rak'ahs before Asr. And the hadith in it, whether it's authentic or Hasan, that the Prophet ﷺ said, may Allah have mercy on a man who prays 4 rak'ahs before Asr. So this caused some dispute among scholars. One group of scholars said that you should not pray these 4 rak'ahs before Asr every day. Why? They said because the Prophet did not do it and it is best for you not to do it. So subhanallah, the Prophet ﷺ recommended it. And he said, may Allah have mercy upon a person who prays 4 before Asr. And you come and tell me not to pray it every day? Yes, not only that, even the 2 rak'ahs of duha, you should not pray that every day, so that people would not think that this is an emphatic sunnah. Where are you bringing this from? So this group of scholars thought that the Prophet not doing it on regular basis means that it is best for us not to do it on regular basis. But this is not true. Due to the fact that the Prophet had recommended it, ﷺ, it becomes recommended. So if the Prophet ﷺ only performed Hajj once in his lifetime, you do not prohibit me from doing that. If the Prophet only performed 2 Umrah in his life, you do not say, do not do 3 or 4 or 10 or 20. Because he recommended it. And by recommending and encouraging his ummah to do it, that is sufficient. I don't need any more evidence to do it. So the other group that says that do it every single day are correct.